traffic is a little bit busy on Mineral Point Road, but I am going to try to show you the new construction on the corner, the northwest corner of Mineral Point and Gammon. This big building beside Culver's here is the first of 5 to be going into the old famous footwear space. Looks like it's pretty close to being done. There's a smaller unit right here that's going in, and there's several behind it that are going in. So this corner has changed dramatically since you were here. Lots of big construction right here in this part of town. And there's the alma mater. Love you both.